Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and from By P Handcrafts is my blog. And if you're wanting to look for the clearance rack, I've ordered some things in the clearance rack, so I'm going to open my box in a minute. And if you go to the fionafernandez.stampinup.net, and there's a words across the top of the page, and you go to shop now, that will shop with me, and you can look in specials for the clearance rack. So that's pretty exciting. And there's my October host code. The other way to get to the shop is to go through my Stampin' Up page with specials, and you'll find down the page a little bit a link to the host code, and that'll link the host code to your shopping cart straight away. So just use that if you're ordering under $250. If you order over $250, you get Stampin' Rewards for yourself, and that way make sure you use them while you're doing that order, because you can't use them later. Okay, so I'll get into my box in a second. So don't forget there's a great special on for October. If you join, this is just off my page, so again on this page with join now, and this is all the information off there. So if you join in October, you get to choose $283 worth of products, usually $235. The price to join is still the same at $169. This is Australian dollars in Australia. And yes, you get to choose more products at the moment. You get to choose whatever you want. So if you need help with that, just let me know. But you've got till the 31st of October. So my team's called the Busy Bees, and we're all very busy. And it's okay if you're not, that's okay. Whatever you want. So feel free to do that and have a chat with me. I'll just put these on the side. So when you order, so when I order as a demonstrator, I get a sheet like this that I can print out off my computer and have a list of what I've ordered. So I put that on the side, and then once I've checked everything, I tick them all off and make sure everything's in the box, and make sure you open everything as well, because you want to make sure everything's in good working order. If it's not, it does happen occasionally, because you know they're a big company and things get through sometimes, but they're very good at fixing that up and replacing them if they need to be. So just double check everything, make sure everything's there, and if you're one of my customers, let me know if you've got any problems with it. Alright, so this one is basically just, I think most of it is out of the, I'm just looking at what's on my list there. Most of it is out of the clearance rack, and I've got the clearance rack open so that I can see if there's anything gone already. So this is the, let me put my box up so I want light in there, don't I? I'll get those bits out today. Alright, so this is called Cork Specialty Paper. It's 12 by 12 inches, 30.5 by 30.5 centimeters, and it looks like cork. Look at that. I do have some of that already, so I won't open this particular packet, but it is just like cork. Very handy. And up there, what have we got next? So we've got red and green foil sheets. Now on this one I bought, yep, just one of those. We'll have a quick look in there so I can show you. So I thought I'd get some more of this for my Christmas card making. I love things that are blingy. There we go, a bit of blingy. Very shiny, shiny. Look at that. Red and green foil. I think that's looking alright there. Oh. They're nice big sheets. So you get, it always tells you on the packet you get 4. Look, I've still got red on my nail from my card class the other day. Did a bit of colouring in the ribbon, colouring in my fingers. Alright, this one is the gold shimmer vellum. So again, that's a nice shimmery. So these things are all in the clearance rack. I'll just check the cork's still there, I can see that. And the red and gold foil's still in the clearance rack. I'll just go down and check if this one is still there. Oh, actually I can't see this one. So with the clearance rack, you have to order things while they're still there. I think this one's gone, gold, and it's very popular. Just let me type gold into the search bar. Gold foil sheets. Yeah, I think this one's gone. anyway, I'll show it to you anyway. And when you do orders with me, I do give free gifts if you're ordering over $50, and for your first order too, I'd like to do that. So there's always a possibility of getting a little bit of something like this. Oh, it's not focusing, hang on. I just got to get my focus back. What's happened? My focus has gone all funny. I'll just bring that camera focus back down. No, it doesn't want to do that. Let me get my scissors. Sorry about that. Does that sometimes. That's better. Hit the scissors there. See how glittery that is? So if you're putting an order in and you go, oh, I really would like a bit of that, just let me know and I can include a little bit into your gift. There's something that's already gone, so I did get 2 of those, so I've got plenty for gifts. I got some more of this because it's so cute. This is the Sweet Stockings Designer Series paper. I won't open this one, but they've got little animals in there, and that came as part of a suite last year. It was really nice. I'll just see it. I've got a feeling there's only 1 page of things in the clearance rack now. Yeah, there's a few things gone. I think this one's gone too. I can't see it in there now. So again, there's gifts to be involved if you buy something from me. Red velvet paper. Let me just check that one. Thought I saw that. Red velvet is still there, and it's $4.20 at the moment instead of $10.50. So that looks like velvet. Very gorgeous. This is good for die cutting poinsettias out of. Oh, has that gone blurry again? Keeps going blurry. Let me get my scissors. Poor little camera can't focus. Just put my scissors there. Anyway, it is quite velvety. Very nice. Oh, what else have we got? Lots of plastic air cushions. Now these are reduce, reuse, recycle biodegradable air pockets that they put in the packaging to pad things out. This one looks like it's gotten squashed, so I usually just get the air out of them and pop them into the plastics recycle. So these are garden gems. See, these were part of, let me think, Eden's Garden, I think, and you can still get the stamps for that. There's a fair bit of Eden Garden stuff in there. I didn't buy it all, but there's some of the cotton paper is still there, and the Specialty Designer Series paper is still there, and these are still there. So these are $4.50 instead of $12.25 at the moment. They're very pretty. I love them. Obviously, that's why I bought more. I do give them away as gifts sometimes too. So there's some matte decorative dots. Let's see if they're still there. Let me see. Oh, I can't see these ones. I think they're gone. So I bought these last week. So if you still want things, check out the clearance rack. I can't see those ones, but I can see these ones. The cute star adhesive back sequins. Look at the different colours in there. You've got all these ones are black, and they're all different colours up the top. So they're still available, and they are $5.20 instead of, oh, I can't read it from here, $13 I think it says. So I've got a couple of them too. Another one of those. Got a few of these. I love these. These are really handy. So these are the ephemera pack, Blackberry Beauty. So a lot of these things they put in the clearance rack after a while. They're from old sweets and things like that. So this one has all little die cut pieces, stuff like that. So again, I do sometimes gift these or do them as lucky draw prizes. So they've got all die cut pieces already. And what else have we got? Pieces like that. And you don't have to use them with the set they came with. You can use them with anything. Just team it up with some of the Blackberry Bliss or Rich Razzleberry. That's the other colour in there. Cardstock. And you can make some beautiful cards with it. Gift tags and things like that. And ooh, what's happened here? We got a punch. I decided to get this punch because I've got a few of the other circle punches already. So these, they don't sell these like apart from in the clearance rack anymore. 1 1/8 of an inch. There was another one. Let me just have a look. I'll just see if that ephemera pack's still in there. Hang on. No, the ephemera pack's gone. The punch is still there. There's a 1 3/8, which is this one. No, this is 1 1/8. There's a 1 3/8 as well, so a bigger one, but I've already got that. So that is still in, and this one is still in the thing, and it's hang on, I can't see it. $16.80 instead of $20 something. Can't read it. It's a bit far away. Just looking on my other screen. And what have we got here? This one is the Real Red, and again I like it to get these things for my Christmas cards. Sheer ribbon, I'll just see if that one's there. Oh, I think that one's gone too. Oh no, there it is. Real Red sheer ribbon, $4.90 instead of $12.25. So that's got a lovely sheer to it. I might have one open somewhere, but it's sort of sheer in the middle. And I've got 2 of those. So that's the box. What's in the box? It's gone. So I think I've got everything. So again, you just go back to your list and make sure you've ticked everything off. So I've got those, that, 3 of them, 2 of them, scallop. And it's good to get these things as soon as they come out if you're looking for things. But there is still a fair bit in there. Yep, I've got everything. And we'll just go back to that. So there's my details if you're interested in shopping with me or joining with me, with my team. We always have a bit of fun. Have team meetings now, and we do a bit of creativity as well, and you can be as active or inactive as you like as far as the teamwork goes. But it is a lot of fun. So there's my information, and I'll be live on Wednesday night at 8:30. Same place, same channel. I'll catch you later. Ciao.